It's driving test day, so let's get you the pass you deserve. Fixing our first big fail point is a must. Yes, it's the old favorite, checking your mirrors. If you're not a mirror master, you won't pass your driving test. Rosie here knows the rules. Every action requires a mirror check. Every time your examiner speaks, check your mirrors. The examiner is probably telling you to do something, so start that action with a mirror safety check.
Rosie's test is tomorrow. I was told to check my mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds.
Mine told me to always check before signaling. I did my best to always keep left whenever possible. The more you keep changing lanes, the more you need to check your mirrors.
Let's take a pizza around to Rosie and tell her about all these mirror tips.
Thanks girls, great pizza. I've put this note on my bedroom mirror. Mirrors before changing direction, changing speed, and before signaling. And finally, mirror signal maneuver.
Now you're a mirror master. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next couple of videos before you head off to your driving test.